وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
From the dua of the scholars and the people of knowledge, and Allah Azza wa Jal records this in the Qur'an. He said, رَبَّنَا أَلَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا وَهَبْ لَنَا مِن لَدُنْكَ رَحْمَةً إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْوَهَّابُ. The dua, this is the dua of scholars. The scholars. You know, when you and I look at scholars and people of knowledge, we think impossible that these people will ever be misguided. Isn't this what you think? Well, at least this is what we assume. That this is a scholar. This is a righteous man. This is a person that shares knowledge. He will never be misguided. But you know that the scholar and you know the people of abundant knowledge, you know what one of their dua is, and it's recorded in the Qur'an. They say, رَبَّنَا, our Lord, لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا, do not misguide our hearts after you have guided us. وَهَبْ لَنَا مِن لَدُنْكَ رَحْمَةً, and grant us mercy from you. إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْوَهَّابُ, you're the gift giver. You're the one who gives. You're the compassionate, the kind, the merciful. This is the dua of scholars. This is the dua of people of knowledge. They say, our Lord, do not deviate our hearts after you have guided us. So continue to make this dua after Ramadan. Say, رَبَّنَا لَا تُزِغْ قُلُوبَنَا بَعْدَ إِذْ هَدَيْتَنَا. Always ask Allah Azza wa Jal for firmness and guidance. And focus in your salat when you're saying, اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. At least 17 times a day, we are asking Allah Azza wa Jal this best dua in the best of deeds, which is as-salat. We say, our Lord, guide us to the straight path. And from the greatest forms of guidance is to remain steadfast upon righteousness and good deeds and obedience until death.